have here, Eddie? What are we looking at?
Basically, this is a show car.
This is your show car? What happened to the wheels? They look kind of broken,
I
mate.
think they do it with the chambers like this.
Hey, I'm Craig. What can you tell me about the car?
Untuk kontes sih.
Untuk kontes.
Untuk menjadi yang terbaik dari yang terbaik sih.
Cool, man. That's a great car. I love it. It's excellent. So in terms of sound quality, Eddie, what are the components that your customers are looking for?
So basically, if the sound quality, we focus on the front stage.
Front stage, yeah.
Not like that, you can show from outside. And then in the sound quality system, everything has to be balanced for the high, mid bass, and also the sub.
Can I sit in?
Yes. This is the owner of the car.
Hello. Craig. Is that the beryllium up front?
Yes, this is the focal beryllium.
Yep.
With the 4-inch.
The Utopia?
Utopia, right?
Yep. So what are you running in this car, Eddie? What's the focals up front? Mid-bass?
Yes, mid-bass, mid-range, and the
So it's the full
three-way. Using the active.
focal.
Focal also full. Focal beryllium. This one is not the
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars.
Great center
let
image.
Me see what
Really good
spring is
center
like
image.
on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss.
Tell me the configuration here, Eddie, of what's running what.
Okay, we have Mosconi AS200 4 channel, so we have 8 channel total, and then we run active for the tweeters, mid-range, and the mid-bass. And one channel is for the sub.
Yep.
So we are using the 8 channel total. This is the processor.
All going through the Helix DSP Pro. The owner was saying to me before that he had like 12 tunes I think you've got in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's quite flexible. Fantastic tuning. I have to say that it was really nice listening to that. What I noticed that was really distinct was the fact that when I was listening to anything, say from 200 hertz down, maybe 150, it was all coming from the front. You couldn't physically hear any sort of phase issues or anything with the sub in the back. So it was just like, wow, when those doors hit, they really felt like it was, you know, on the bass. It was fantastic. So I have a question though. A lot of these installs, how long does it take to do, are you finding to do? You've got a big team here. So how long does it take for you to do a custom installation like this?
For sample like this, I think we 6 days for the total work.
6 days. That's a lot of man hours in 6 days, I would have.
Maybe four people for it.
Full time, yeah. That is, wow, that's fast. Yeah. Yeah, right, wow.
We are preparing this for the competition.
So you've covered this in a diffuser style mat. And do you find that that's helpful?
Sometimes not.
Better to
do
something than nothing. Yeah, I understand that.
We're doing the three-way front, 3 ways, also in the rear. So total.
You've got it this far, what we're looking at, so I can see the trimming work, installed, fabrication, cabling. How long has it taken you to get this far?
Actually, this is my car. This is my car.
So it's like that could take 6 months.
Yeah, maybe more.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe 1 year, I think.
Right, okay.
But probably if this is the customer car, we have to do it maybe maximum 2 months. So mostly the customers is do install like this. So they install the three-way the amplifier under seat.
Do you have molds for various cars so that if someone comes in with a Honda and you go, yep, is everything custom?
We haven't made the mass production for the A pillar, so every pillar they will do it customized.
So I'm assuming it also depends then on the speakers as well, but obviously, but yeah, it seems that it's quite fast. Like a daily install like this, how long would that take?
4 days.
Yeah, so within a week, drive in, drive out. Yeah, it looks really practical too. Almost like it should have been like that from factory, you know. Like, so how many cars do you normally have on the turning over on a daily basis? 4 or 5 projects? 3 projects?
If only the installation is like that, only we change speakers, OEM placement, and then only one amplifier, we can do it in 6 hours. Maybe one day we can do it 2 or 3.
And your team of, what, say 4 people or so? 7 people, yeah.
The only issue is the place.
Yeah, it's space. Yeah, I think that's everyone's problem.